The 10 most important symptoms of vitamin D deficiency. Follow us until the end of the video to learn about the causes and treatment methods. Vitamin D deficiency can cause a wide range of symptoms, which may affect your quality of life and overall health. Here are the top 10 symptoms of vitamin D deficiency. Exhaustion and chronic fatigue. People who have a vitamin D deficiency may constantly feel exhausted and tired, even after getting enough sleep. This can affect daily performance and reduce productivity. Bone and joint pain. Vitamin D plays an important role in bone health by helping the body absorb calcium. A deficiency of this vitamin can lead to bone and joint pain and may increase the risk of osteoporosis. Muscle weakness. Vitamin D is important for muscle health as well. Its deficiency may lead to muscle weakness, which increases the risk of falls and injuries. Depression. There is a relationship between vitamin D deficiency and depression. Studies indicate that people who suffer from a deficiency in this vitamin are more susceptible to symptoms of depression and stress. Weak immune system. Vitamin D plays a role in boosting the immune system. Its deficiency can make a person more susceptible to diseases and infections, including colds and influenza. Hair loss. Hair loss can be a symptom of vitamin D deficiency, as it affects the health of hair follicles and growth. Difficulty in healing wounds. People with vitamin D deficiency may notice that their wounds take longer to heal. Vitamin D plays a role in the process of cell regeneration and tissue healing. Poor dental health. Vitamin D helps absorb calcium and phosphorus, which are essential for healthy teeth. A deficiency of this vitamin can lead to dental problems, such as tooth decay and gum disease. Frequent exposure to diseases. People who have a vitamin D deficiency can be more susceptible to frequent illnesses, including viral and bacterial infections. Sleep disorders. There is evidence that vitamin D deficiency may affect sleep quality and lead to. It is important to monitor your vitamin D levels and keep them within a healthy range. Vitamin D can be obtained from exposure to sunlight, from foods such as fatty fish, eggs, and fortified dairy products, as well as from nutritional supplements. If you suffer from any of the symptoms mentioned, it is preferable to consult a doctor to conduct the necessary tests and determine the appropriate treatment. Vitamin D is an important vitamin for bone health and the immune system, and it can be obtained from several sources. The 10 most important sources of vitamin D. Sun rays. Exposure to sunlight is the most natural and effective way to obtain vitamin D. Vitamin D is formed in the skin when exposed to ultraviolet rays, UVB, from the sun. It is recommended to be exposed to sunlight for 10 to 30 minutes daily while avoiding sunburn. Fatty fish. Fish such as salmon, mackerel, and tuna contain significant amounts of vitamin D. For example, 100 grams of salmon contains about 361 to 685 international units (IU) of vitamin D. Fish liver oil. Cod liver oil is an excellent source of vitamin D. 1 teaspoon of it contains about 450 international units (IU) of vitamin D. Eggs. Egg yolk contains about 20 international units (IU) in each egg. Vitamin D. Fortified foods. Some foods are fortified with vitamin D, such as milk, orange juice, and breakfast cereals. 1 cup of milk is typically fortified with about 115 to 130 international units. Beef liver contains vitamin D, although in smaller quantities than other sources. 100 grams of beef liver contains about 50 international units (IU). Mushrooms. Some mushrooms, such as shiitake and white button mushrooms, can contain vitamin D, especially if exposed to ultraviolet light. Cheeses. Some cheeses contain small amounts of vitamin D. The amount of vitamin D in cheese depends on the type of cheese. Canned fish. Canned fish such as sardines and tuna also contain vitamin D. 1 can of sardines can contain about 177 international units (IU). Nutritional supplements. Vitamin D can be obtained from nutritional supplements, which is an effective way to ensure adequate intake, especially for those who have a lack of exposure to sunlight or difficulty obtaining the vitamin from food. In conclusion, I hope you enjoyed the content of this video and benefited from the information we provided. If you liked the video, do not forget to press the like button and subscribe to the channel to support us and to follow all new updates. I would also love to read your comments and suggestions for topics you would like to see in the future. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.